Before we start, this is the final week of 42102's MOC series, so make sure you've gone and voted on my community page at BDF018 to decide the next MOC series. Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new alt MOC. Today we're converting 42102's mobile crane into a golf cart. Our penultimate conversion for 42102 is the golf cart, coming in at 106 pieces across 28 steps, so divide that you get an average of 3.7 pieces per section for this build. It looks quite realistic and people are quite happy about it online, saying it does look like a golf cart when they've built it, so I'm excited to build it. Let's strip the mobile crane apart, put the pieces in a recorded tubs and get to today's conversion of the golf cart. Enjoy. There's your full-on complete conversion from 42102's mobile crane into the golf cart, and it looks good. No proper steering mechanism apart from the steering wheel at the front, which is a little tricky to get to if you want to drive top up, but I like it. It's a nice set. Took about 15 to 20 minutes to build. Very simple, very easy, very nice. There was some uniqueness to the front end of this thing compared to other MOCs when it came to their steering mechanism. I do quite like it. Pokes out a little bit, which is pretty cool as well. It's a Claas golf cart, and its lights come out the top. So if you're driving a golf cart at night, it looks like a beacon from Minecraft. It's sleek, it's sweet, it's cool, and I'm a fan. Our penultimate build, every single MOC for 42102 has been great, and I just think this is another example of a fine set. I have no issues with it at all. I like it. Move on to the last one now. I wonder what it's going to be because I don't even know myself yet. As always, leave your thoughts down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the golf cart? Have you enjoyed 42102's build series? I certainly have. Easily been my most favourite MOC series so far. The Technics are just so much better than the brick build when it comes to MOCs in my opinion. We have one more build to come. I'm excited for it and I hope you are too. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.